Today we will learn how to register Microsoft Office for lifetime. Open up the activation file. If you need this file, just comment your email address below in comment section. When you open up the activation file, you will see this window. Just click on As Activator. Now wait for a moment. You can see that Microsoft Office is successfully activated. Now let's open the Miss World. If you have liked this video, must subscribe our channel for more. So you see that it is fully activated now. Thanks for watching.
So if you have liked this video, please subscribe our channel and keep watching for more. Thank you.